Hey everyone, welcome back to Prosperity Mastery Hub. Are you looking to boost your income this year? Whether you're saving for a big goal, aiming for financial freedom, or just looking for a little extra cash, side hustles can be a game changer. In today's video, I'm going to share the best side hustles to boost your income in 2024. We'll cover everything from flexible online gigs to in-person work that fits any schedule. Let's get started. Best side hustles to boost your income in 2024. 1. Online freelancing platforms. First up, let's talk about online freelancing platforms. If you have any marketable skills, freelancing can be one of the quickest ways to start making extra income. Popular platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com allow you to offer services in areas like graphic design, writing, digital marketing, web development, and even virtual assistants. There's a huge demand for digital skills as more companies operate remotely. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility. It's a scalable side hustle that you can do on your own schedule. And as you gain experience, you can increase your rates and even turn freelancing into a full-time gig if that's your goal. Quick tips for success. To stand out, build a strong portfolio and showcase examples of your work. Set clear rates and deadlines to manage expectations with clients. 2. Content creation. Next on the list is content creation. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular area, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even blogging can help you share it with the world while earning money. The creator economy is growing, and 2024 is a great time to jump in. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Popular niches include personal finance, health, productivity, and lifestyle. Content creation is a long-term game, so don't expect instant returns. But if you're consistent and committed to delivering quality content, you can grow a dedicated audience and potentially earn a solid income. Quick tips for success. Start with a specific niche to attract a targeted audience. Be consistent, upload regularly, and focus on creating valuable content. Another great side hustle is e-commerce and dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay, you can set up an online store and sell products without needing to hold inventory. Dropshipping allows you to work with suppliers who ship products directly to customers so you don't have to manage stock. In 2024, trends like custom products, eco-friendly goods, and unique crafts are especially popular. This side hustle does take some initial effort to set up, but once you're up and running, it can be a relatively hands-off income stream. Quick tips for success. Choose a unique product or niche to stand out from competitors. Use social media marketing to drive traffic to your store. If you're skilled in a specific subject, tutoring or creating online courses can be a profitable side hustle. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students who need help in subjects like math, science, or languages. Alternatively, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once your course is set up, it can earn you passive income as more people enroll. Education is always in demand, and if you have expertise in any area, this is a great way to monetize your knowledge. Quick tips for success. For tutoring, focus on building a positive reputation and tailor sessions to each student. For courses, start with a clear outline and make sure your content is engaging and high quality. Let's talk about a fun one: pet care and dog walking. If you love animals, this side hustle might be perfect for you. With platforms like Rover and Wag, you can connect with pet owners in your area. Services like dog walking, pet sitting, and even dog boarding are always in demand, especially as more people travel. This side hustle offers flexible hours, and it's a great way to earn while spending time outdoors and with pets. Quick tips for success. Build trust with clients by communicating clearly and taking excellent care of their pets. Consider offering add-ons like pet grooming for additional income. Another high-demand side hustle is virtual assistant services. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, customer service, and social media. Platforms like Belay and Fancy Hands make it easy to find virtual assistant gigs. If you're organized and detail-oriented, this could be a great side hustle with flexible hours. Quick tips for success. Specialize in a particular area like social media management to attract specific clients. Use productivity tools like Google Workspace or Trello to streamline tasks. Another unique way to earn extra income is by renting out assets. If you have a spare room, a car, or equipment, you can rent them out on platforms like Airbnb, Turo, or Fat Llama. With more people opting for short-term rentals, there's a huge demand for options beyond traditional hotels and rentals. You can earn money with minimal time commitment, especially if you're not using these assets yourself. Quick tips for success. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions help attract renters. Make sure you're aware of any local regulations or platform fees. If you prefer flexible hours, consider delivery and gig economy jobs. Companies like Uber Eats, Instacart, and Amazon Flex allow you to earn on your own schedule. These jobs provide flexibility, and with continued demand for delivery services, it's an easy way to make quick money. The more efficient you are with deliveries, the more you can earn. Quick tips for success. Optimize your routes to save time and earn more per hour. Keep track of expenses like gas for better profitability. Social media management and digital marketing. For those who know their way around social media management and digital marketing is a side hustle with huge growth potential. As more businesses prioritize online presence, there's a high demand for social media managers who can help with content, branding, and ad campaigns. Quick tips for success. Build a portfolio with past social media campaigns. Stay updated on social media trends to keep strategies effective. Finally, let's talk about local services. If you enjoy hands-on work, consider offering services like cleaning, handiwork, or lawn care. Platforms like TaskRabbit make it easy to connect with clients in need of these services. Local services are always in demand and can offer good earning potential. Quick tips for success. Deliver exceptional service and ask for reviews to build a strong reputation. For local services, offering quality work is key. Aim to exceed client expectations and don't forget to ask for reviews. They help build credibility and attract more clients. All right, that wraps up our list of the best side hustles to boost your income in 2024. From freelancing and content creation to pet care and local services, there's a side hustle for everyone, no matter your skills or schedule. The best part is that most of these side hustles can be started with minimal investment, making it easy to dive in and start earning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on boosting your income and mastering your finances. And let us know in the comments, which side hustle are you most excited to try? Or, if you have a side hustle that's worked for you, share it with us.